Hola estudiantes, this is Señorita Garcia and I want to welcome you to Spanish 6th grade class. This is a semester class and I am looking forward to working together, getting to know you, and getting this semester started on a positive and strong note. I want to encourage you to post a short informal video to say hello in the personal introductions discussion forum. In your message, you need to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about yourself so that your classmates and I get to know you a little bit more. In this course, you will study 2 units. In the first unit, which is called Getting Acquainted, you will learn to talk about yourself and ask questions to others. You will also learn how to express your feelings, what you like and you don't like, and what other languages people speak at home and where people speak Spanish in the world. In the second unit is which we will call Hanging Out. You will learn to invite people to do things and make plans with them. You're going to talk about your schedule both at school and outside of school. You're going to tell how frequently you do certain activities, and you will compare your activities to other kids from other different parts in the world and different cultures. The grades for this class are going to be weighted in the following way. The speaking and writing integrated performance assessments are going to be 30% of your grade. The reading and listening integrated performance assessments will be 20% of your grade. Class participation in forums, videos, etc. is going to be 25% of your grade. Assignments will be 15% of your grade, and finally quizzes will be 10% of your grade. Please take some time to read the course directives and become more familiar with the work policies, late assignments, and how to contact me. We will have class discussion boards that are mandatory. They are considered class participation for grading. I will post a question or a prompt which you will have to answer in Spanish. I expect you to use your vocabulary handouts and what you have learned in class to give your best possible answer. There will be no right or wrong answer as long as you make a very honest attempt to participate and give your best in class. I will give you 2 extra participation points for creative or funny answers that are related to the questions, of course. This course will be, in this class, we will have a mandatory live session each week. These sessions will give us a time to practice and communicate in Spanish with each other, to ask questions about the class, for me to answer them, and to give you feedback and help you. Sessions will be held every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central. Each section date and the link to access the session will be posted on the weekly unit. If you are unable to attend the session, you need to contact me as quickly as possible so we can make different arrangements. Please take time to watch the Canvas navigating video to get you familiarized with how to navigate the class and where to find assignments, videos, and other content. Feel free to email me for any questions that you have related to the class or to set up a video appointment for help. I'm very excited to be your teacher this semester. I look forward to teaching you Spanish and to get to know you. I am here to help you and support you as you learn the language. We will have fun together in class.